Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage the cycles on the main list in the Samsung washer-dryer. So if you want to remove any program or add something, just click on the additional functions button, then jump to the left side and click on the O on the My Cycles. Then click on the O again, and as you can see now we can add or remove the cycles from the main menu. So if you don't use for example, the cloudy day or the silent wash, you can just remove it from the menu by clicking on the O button, then go to the app on the list to go back, click on the O to save and return, and now in my case I don't have the cloudy day on the program list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.